I invited her to the stage, to my studio. Today we are going to make the firework crackers and those strawberries from New Year's Day. You need stick pretzels and some melted chocolate, and some sprinkles. So first you get a pretzel. Then you dip it in the melted chocolate and turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it around. Then you dip it in the sprinkle. And you turn it around. It's yummy. It looks yummy too. Take the other one and do the same thing. This is going to be fun. I can't wait till these look great. I can't wait for the taste test. I hope these will be so. I got 6, but it doesn't matter. Hello. Anyways, are you ready to put it in the refrigerator? Yes. For how much hours? 2 hours. You're right. Put it in the refrigerator and we'll be coming back soon. You could also play any game when 2 hours is done. Next, we are going to make chocolate-covered strawberries. Yes. So you can choose 2 types: dark melted chocolate or vanilla melted chocolate. So let's go and make some. Okay, it's like the same as the pretzels. We also added some new sprinkles. Ooh, that's so delicious. Good. I'll help you after a while. When it's finished, I'm going to put it right over in this square plate. Next one. And now, okay, continue to the next one. Are you almost done? Not yet. I'm doing the last one. And then you put it with the sprinkle. Put it right over here. This is going to be delicious, isn't it? Wait. Is it going to be delicious? Yes, you're right. Also, you can put it in the white chocolate. Okay, I'm going to take a taste test in one of these 2. Or my friend can go. But we first have to put these in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Yes. Right, bro. And these look so delicious! I can't wait till they're done. Can't you? Right now, we'll be coming soon. While we're waiting, we're gonna test the pretzels. Are you ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1, go! Join us next time on the Snowflake channel. We're gonna make the strawberries coming soon. So delicious! Really delicious! best. Thank you for watching. Do you think the strawberries will be the same taste as this? Let me think. It wouldn't be the same taste because of the pretzels. But maybe they might be the same. The sprinkles and the melted chocolate. We have 2 more. Get it. Last one. Thank you for watching. Join us next time. Join us next time. We finished this strawberry covered chocolate. Now we're gonna have a taste test of the white and chocolate. I'm gonna try the brown flavor. And I'm gonna try the white flavor. That's really good! Delicious! Wow! Awesome! So good! Do you like this?